Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the circle and drawing two distinct chords quickly but accurately. Use a straight edge to draw chord AB, then draw a second chord CD that is not parallel to AB. This creates intersecting perpendicular bisectors later. Once done, mark endpoints A, B, C, D clearly and measure each chord length roughly to confirm they are substantial, ideally at least 1/3 of the circle's diameter. These initial marks set up reliable geometry for the next construction step. Now you find the midpoints of chords AB and CD precisely. Use a compass to transfer lengths or fold paper if needed. Next, construct perpendiculars through those midpoints. Use a set square or the compass intersection method to get clean 90-degree lines. Make sure to extend both perpendicular bisectors well beyond the circle edge so their intersection is easy to locate. Because the perpendicular bisectors of chords pass through the center, their intersection gives you the circle center. Keep steady. Finally, mark the intersection point O of the two perpendicular bisectors. That is your circle center. Verify accuracy by measuring the distance from O to several edge points like A, B, C, and D. These radii should be equal within your measurement precision. If they match, draw a clean radius and optionally draw the center with a small dot. If the distances differ noticeably, recheck your midpoint placements and perpendicular construction, as small angular errors cause large center displacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.